Hi, I am Katie Strong and I am going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes with the Young Living brush cleaner that I love. So when I first got it, I didn't really know how to use this. I thought I would share this video so you know how to use it to clean your brushes. So if you don't have the Young Living brushes, you are totally missing out. They're made in Italy. They are beautiful, beautiful brushes. Before I got these, I really didn't understand the benefit of having a good makeup brush, but when I got these, I now see why it is important to have a good brush. And one of the things that I love about them is it tells you what it is. So it tells me this is a foundation brush. And I love the kit. I think it's only like $85 and you get some amazing brushes and they're all ones that you will use. So I didn't end up spending money on brushes that I wasn't gonna use. I use every single one of them. So they're super soft, goes on really smoothly. And when I got them, I was really afraid of cleaning them because I didn't want to damage the bristles. And so when Young Living came out with the brush cleaner, I was like, what do I do with this? When you're cleaning your brushes, you want to make sure that you're using something safe, but also effective, because you don't want to clean it in a chemical solution and then rub it all over your face. So it comes with a little bar that you just get wet and then stick back in here. And now I'm just gonna rub the brush in the bristles to pick some of the cleaner up, and then I'm gonna rub it into the little pad here, and you can see it's cleaning it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna rinse off the pad and I'm gonna do it again, and you can see it was time to clean my brushes. I don't do it as often as I should, but I have definitely been doing it more since I got this. So I kind of swirl it until there's not a whole lot left coming off of the brush. And then you want to run it under the water so the bristles are pointing down. And you want to try not to get up on the edge where the glue is, because you don't want to disrupt any of the glue. And after the water runs clear, you kind of reshape it and then store it flat, or so the bristles are pointing a little bit down. But your brush will be super soft after, and nice and clean and safe for your skin and your face. But I think you're gonna really like the brushes if you have not tried the Young Living brushes yet. Like everything else in Young Living, they're very high quality. They hold up very well and put a nice smooth foundation onto your face, and just absolutely love the brushes. So make sure to get these, and then the brush cleaner set as well. If you have any tips and tricks for keeping your brushes in good condition, and make sure to like and subscribe and check out the other videos that we have on this page.